If you experience a decrease in your sexual desire, it is likely that you are not engaging in sexual activity as much as you would prefer. Sex is a fundamental aspect of life and essential for human existence. Both physical and psychological factors can contribute to a lower sex drive. In today's modern society, there are several reasons why a poor sex drive is becoming more common. Factors such as low testosterone, excessive stress, inadequate sleep, excessive alcohol consumption, depression, anxiety, and nutritional deficiencies all have a negative impact on your sex drive. While a diminished sex drive typically affects older adults, it can range from a decreased urge for sex to experiencing erectile dysfunction. If you are a young and healthy individual, you may not need to worry about having difficulty achieving an erection. However, there are still ways to enhance your sexual experience. In this video, we will explore 6 natural methods to boost your sex drive. Firstly, you can try supplementing with maca. Maca is a natural aphrodisiac known as Peruvian ginseng. It has shown potential in increasing sex drive and providing various health benefits. Maca is a root native to the Andean region and has been cultivated for thousands of years. It comes in different colors, such as yellow, black, white, red, orange, or purple. Maca is available in powder form, which can be added to shakes, smoothies, or oatmeal. Animal studies have shown that maca may increase sperm count, although further research on humans is needed. Additionally, maca has been found to improve energy, mood, and sexual desire. Another herb that can boost libido is ginseng. Ginseng is considered an aphrodisiac and has been traditionally used in Chinese medicine to enhance sexual behavior. Scientific evaluations of randomized clinical trials have confirmed the beneficial effects of ginseng on sexual performance. For instance, studies have shown that Korean red ginseng can improve erectile function and sexual satisfaction in men with erectile dysfunction. Ginseng can be consumed in various forms, including raw, added to foods, or taken as a powder, capsule, or oil. Getting sunlight or supplementing with vitamin D can indirectly enhance your sex drive. Vitamin D can improve mood and testosterone production, which are both linked to sex drive. To ensure you have adequate vitamin D levels, you can get tested by a doctor or spend more time in direct sunlight. If you are deficient, you can take a vitamin D supplement or incorporate more sunlight exposure into your routine. While chocolate is often associated with being an aphrodisiac, the effects may be more psychological than physiological. Chocolate contains compounds that stimulate pleasure, chemicals like serotonin and dopamine, but there isn't substantial scientific evidence supporting its direct impact on sexual desire. However, the psychosocial aspect of chocolate can still help set the mood and create a positive environment for intimacy. Having good energy levels and a positive mindset towards sex is crucial for a healthy sex drive. Fatigue and negative emotions can significantly affect your desire for sex. Prioritizing quality sleep, managing stress, and cultivating a positive outlook on sex can help improve your energy and mindset toward sexual activities. Lastly, it's important to note that personal experiences play a significant role in determining what works for each individual. While scientific research is ongoing, experimenting with the Mentioned foods and methods can help you discover what boosts your sex drive. Keep in mind that published research provides evidence-based practices, but anecdotal evidence and personal experiences are also important. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking it to support the channel. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more informative videos, and turn on post notifications so you don't miss the next one. Peace. Goodbye.